Hey guys, so just wanted to show you this brand new BMW M4. So it's in for a full Redenzo radar laser defense system. So it's a 6-head kit. It's got 3 fronts, 3 rears. So it's got 2 RXs, RX, and then a single TX in the center. The radar antenna is obviously behind the bumper. You know, typical mounting location. Walk around the rear. We have 3 heads also, RX, and TX. And as you can see, there's shims to make sure that they're level and, you know, parallel with each other. So this thing is gorgeous. Check it out. It's got the red leather seats. It's got the carbon fiber, all the silver trim. I mean, it's just a gorgeous vehicle. This system is actually out of her previous vehicle. She swears by this thing, loves it. She says it's amazing. It works really, really great. So we removed it from her old vehicle and we're transferring it to the new vehicle. A lot of times we get asked, well, it's a big investment, yes, but the nice thing is you can transfer it from car to car, right? So this system, you pay for it once. Obviously the labor's different, but you pay for it once and then you can literally move it from vehicle to vehicle. The nice thing about the system is it can be updated. So in essence, it doesn't go obsolete because when a new gun comes out, a new jammer profile, you can update the unit and now you're current. Eventually, obviously the hardware does fail, but that's usually 10 years, whatever. It's a long period of time before that happens. You can transfer it from car to car. We had clients that have transferred it to 5 different vehicles, you know, within a span of, let's say, 5 or 10 years. So just keep that in mind. The client wanted the display right there. So she was willing to give up one of the cup holders. So the nice thing is, bam, you know, it's flushed into the cup holder. So she did lose a cup holder, but she was okay with that. And then the nice thing about that is you can shut it. You'd never know this car had a radar laser defense system. Then you can also go here. This is all your mute buttons. So during an attack, the first 3 buttons are mute. So anything happens, you hit one of those, boom, system shuts off. And then you can shut the door, nobody knows anything. So just like the shims, the installation is really important. So a lot of times we see a lot of installs that are done improperly. Now, will the system work? Absolutely. Now, will it work? Will you get what you paid for? No, because the system has requirements as far as the installation. And if the heads are not installed properly, you're not getting full protection. Yes, you're getting protected, but if you go up against a Dragon Eye gun or one of the better guns, they're gonna get you. The nice thing about installing it properly is you are covered as much as humanly possible. I mean, they've had tests where basically they don't get any punch through. Punch through is when the installation is not done properly, the gun is able to punch through the defenses. Basically, it's able to get a reading, which is a bad day because then you're gonna get pulled over, right? So definitely make sure that the system is installed.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.